Chandigarh, education and provision of basic utilities in the colonies is on top of my agenda.
So what made you think that you should come and test the election from Chandigarh?
Well, because I am from Chandigarh, first of all. I've spent quite a few years abroad, but Chandigarh is my home. This is the city of my origin. I love this city. The city has a lot of potential, and this potential can be developed with a good candidate, with good policies, and with good, clean politics. And that's what I intend to give.
How do you see your perspectives in this?
I believe that this election will see awakening of a very large number of youth vote in India, and especially in Chandigarh. So far, this youth vote has not been utilized because our young people do not believe in the old, divisive and caste-based politics. Since I represent the next generation that is patriotic, that offers clean and good governance, I believe the youth vote will come out in very large numbers for me, and therefore this election I'm very confident will be won by me.
So you were talking about that you've given a Hindi affidavit?
There was no Hindi language affidavit available anywhere on Election Commission's resources about the net assets. So with the help of retired IAS officer Mr. Jain and my other election staff, we produced an authentic Hindi language affidavit which I have filed, and I believe I am the first person to file a affidavit in Hindi language in this general election. And I'm very proud of that fact.
Election Commission doesn't have this?
No. Election Commission did not have that affidavit in Hindi language.
So why did you offer it?
Well, I have offered it to them, and they have gracefully accepted my offer to take this Hindi language affidavit, and they will put it on the website.
Why did you put it out?
Because I think Hindi is our language, and as much as I love to learn other languages and communicate in other languages, I think Matribhasha comes first. So if I want to conduct my business in my native tongue, in my Matribhasha, that is my right, and indeed it's my duty. So I wanted to file my first application in Hindi language, and indeed that's what I've done.
Have you ever contested any?
No, this is my first election, but I will be contesting next 3 general elections from Chandigarh.
And when did you come back to India?
I have been coming back to India very often. I have never cut off my links with India. My family is here.
Passport?
I have always had an Indian passport. I never changed my passport. I have always had very close links with India. My parents are here. My family is here. And last year I decided that I was going to make a permanent move back for the purpose of standing in elections and winning these elections.
Where were you based in abroad?
I have been based in many countries. I have had homes in a number of places, but my primary base for about 15 years was Moscow, and after that for about 5 years London.
What you used to do there?
I have been in business of investments and media ownership.
So anything you intend to do for media here?
No, now I'm going to be in social service and political service, and we'll make a change in Chandigarh. We'll make a lot of positive change in Chandigarh.